What up, everybody? It's your boy Flaco, man, and thank you for tuning in for an episode of Flaco's Beer Review. And tonight, guys, we are here kicking it at the house. It is the 23rd of December, so, 3 days before Christmas or 2 days before Christmas. Off tomorrow, off Christmas Day, back to work for Thursday and Friday of the week, and then off again for the weekend. Work one more day, then off for New Year's Eve. It's going to be a crazy work schedule this week, but I wanted to hop on here and do a beer review. I saw this beer in the store today, man, and it looked pretty interesting. Now, there's this new corner store that opened up on the route to work, so we hopped up in there. My wife got some wine, and I got some beer. So, this one is called Wheeze The Juice IPA. It is by the Champion Brewing Company. Look at the can art on this, man. It looks freaking cool, man. It looks like a shake, right? It looks like one of those smoothie machines or whatever you call them, those Frosties, thingy-majiggies that you would get at the corner store. It looks just like that, right? It looks crazy. Look at that. It looks good. This is an American Indian Pale Ale, okay? This thing right here is coming in at 6.4% alcohol by volume on it. So it's got a decent amount there, It's not too crazy though, but it is good. It does have a 54 on the IBUs itself, which is also very good.
Hi, guys.
There's Penny, guys. And then it says, Wheeze The Juice is a juicy IPA, double dry hopped for max flavor.
I'm getting my drink.
She's getting her drink, guys. With Bavarian, El Dorado, Cascade, and Mandarinian hops, all in here. All in here. So,
My mom is in my room.
okay.
So you have to talk to them.
I am, baby. I am. She said I have to talk to you guys. All right. So, it's got 4 or 3 different hops in there. Mandarinian Bavaria. Sorry, that's 1 hop. Sorry, I said it like it was 2. El Dorado and Cascade hops. 54 on the IBUs. So we should be in for a smidge of a bitterness. It could be a lot of a bitterness depending on how, how they make it. So, let's go ahead and without further ado, let's go ahead and crack into this thing. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna have my side commentator join me here in a second.
Guys,
There she is.
guys, look, all empty.
All empty. What was in there?
Milk.
Milk. All right, guys. So we had about a finger and a half head on it. Head doesn't last very long. Very carbonated. Crystal clear.
And here's my Hello Kitty princess who spins around. What? Show them your tattoo. And here's my tattoo right here. It has a leather. And here's my Hello Kitty thing. It changed her dresses in the water. Now it floats.
This is
And here's some. And here's some this on McDonald's.
we'll get to it later, guys. Let me just sip this while she's showing you the ketchup packet.
Ketchup. Ketchup, huh? Here's the one ketchup block. See? And there is my bubble mix. It has one bubble, then brush shares this
Okay,
bubble mix.
sweetie. Daddy's gonna do this real fast, and then you can come back and talk real quick, okay? Let me tell them what this is like, and then you can come right back, okay? You can sit right there and wait for me?
No.
Or you want to sit right here and wait for me?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna show the happy bubble. Here's my bubble mixes and my boy shares his bubble mix. Look, those are trying to go on it.
I love you so much.
Yeah. And they show this, grab it. No, I'm gonna show it. And here's the ice top with some blue painted right?
Mm-hmm.
And here's that is this pointy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it sharp?
Mm-hmm.
And here's this little thing, and it's little down, but it's gonna make a lot of plants in it.
What are they?
I don't know, just put them back.
What are they? They're baby apples, remember?
Yeah, baby apples is so. You never know what the chocolate is because it's hard.
Alright guys, my helper is not helping her mom. But this had a quick head. I mean, honestly, the head on this thing really didn't last long. Let me see if I can get another reaction on it. I mean, it's a slight head. The first one that I had was real, like loose bubbles. Real fat and loose bubbles. But I mean, the carbonation is there. Very clear. Very clear beer. The hops, you can definitely smell them. Some real big orangey grapefruit notes in there. Not really much pine from what I'm picking up. But definitely smells good and juicy. The oranges and the grapefruit. Very clear, like I said. Cheers, guys. Let's get into it. And those 54 IBUs are shining through, man. They are shining through. You do get that nice bitter bite that does linger there on the top the roof of your mouth. You can definitely still taste it there. But it's good though. It's a good thing. It's not too much. You know, I like bitter IPAs. I like a good IBU on it. This one is very beautiful looking. I mean, look at the clarity on it. And the carbonation is still going. It's very good, man. Very good. Champion Brewing. These guys are the Charlottesville. Out of Charlottesville, these guys. Wheeze The Juice IPA. This one is good. This one is good. I would probably give this, honestly, probably an 8. I'd give it an 8. I'd give it an 8. I definitely would give it an 8. Very good. Very good. Very well done. It's just a good looking beer. I mean, the head on it, I mean, I would have probably liked to see a little bit more of a head on it. But, and more of a solid head on it by that. It did come out with like a, you know, the finger and a half head. But it did die down really quickly. And the bubbles were very loose and not as compact, you know, as I like them to be and tight. So, I mean, but still though, a good tasting beer. It's just orange, grapefruit, and bitter. Very good though, very sharp. It's a sharp taste. It's a sharp taste. Very good. I wouldn't say it's like the best out there that I've had, but it is a good one. You would not get disappointed with it. If you like a bitter bite, you know, if you like something that is going to
make you slow down.
You know, you're not gonna go ahead and chug 2 of these back to back like that. You're gonna sip them. You know what I mean? You can drink more than one. I would definitely drink more than one. 6.4, they're pretty good. They got a nice variety of hops in there. But again, you know, this is not one that you're gonna just start slamming back. I mean, I guess you could if you're going that way, man. But you know, this is something you would want to sip and enjoy. Nice, crisp, clean taste. Nice bitter factor on it. I mean, it's almost real clear that it's like a champagne of IPAs, I would say. Look at that. It's just really freaking nice. Really freaking nice. I mean, but it is what it is, man. Wheeze the Juice is pretty good. I would give it an 8. I would give it an 8. I do enjoy the bitterness of it. I do enjoy... Hey, calm down. Dogs over there. Do enjoy the bitterness of it. The clarity of it. I mean, the whole overall look of it, of the actual beer itself, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. I love the look of it. The smell is very inviting. It's not so much floral. It's more orangey and grapefruit. Like, you can definitely smell the orange and grapefruit. Like, it smells like if you just had one and you're cracking open and going like that. It smells good. It smells good. 8 in my book on this one, boys. 8 on this one. It is the first night of my chilling, you know, for the Christmas break. My little 2 days off. So I'm going to go enjoy it with the family. Make it count. All right, guys. Peace and love. This one here is an 8 on Flacos Beer Review. It is the Wheeze The Juice. 54 on the IBUs. 6.4 on the alcohol by volume. Plenty more beer reviews to come, guys. Merry Christmas. Cheers.